how to know if your YouTube channel is shadow banned on YouTube. So, a shadow ban isn't a formal strike, but it's when the algorithm stops recommending your videos to new people because it thinks your content is spammy or borderline. It can feel like your channel has hit a brick wall even though you haven't broken any official rules. So, here's how you can check that. So, the first thing is the incognito test. So, to check, you're going to open a browser in incognito mode. So, I'm just going to click on here and then I'm going to open incognito mode. So, going to click on new incognito window right here. And then from here, we're just going to search for the exact title of your latest video. So let's say I am going to search for this one. So I'm going to open this content right here. I'm going to find the shorts that I want to find. I'm going to click on the title and then I'm going to copy and paste this to my incognito tab. So this way we can find the exact title of it. Now I'm going to hit on enter. And if it shows up in the top results, as you can see right here when we click on it, your channel is healthy and there is no ban at all. Now, after that, you can also check for the visibility. So if it's invisible in search, you can go to your YouTube Studio Analytics. So we're just going to head back. And then from here, you're going to click on the community or the reach tab or the audience tab. It really depends on the layout of your YouTube. So from your dashboard right here, we're just going to head over to your analytics right here. So just click on analytics. And then from here, you will find this audience tab. So it really depends. Once again, it can be the reach or the audience tab depending on the layout of your YouTube. Now you can look at specifically your impressions graph. If you see a sharp vertical drop that hits 0 and stays there for days or month, your reach is likely being restricted by the system. Now you can also try to check your subscriber feedback. So from the content tab, you can also try to look for any of the comments. If you have comments right here or community tab to see if there are any engagement or if subscribers are complaining about not getting notifications. If your bell alerts aren't reaching your core fans, it's a major sign that the algorithm is suppressing your channel's distribution. And that's it. That's basically how you can know if your channel is shadow banned on YouTube. Now, in order for you to actually fix this, you can just check if you have any copyrights on your channel from your content right here. And then you can check for the copyrights, which are usually signified by this yellow triangle that you can see right here. This is like an alert. So you can also avoid using engagement bait titles to click here for a surprise, because usually clearing out repetitive tags and posting high quality original content will lift the restriction within 2 weeks. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.